Alright guys, so I'm at Bronner Brother and this is my booth. This is my booth and they are about to set it up. I can't wait for y'all to see it. She already set up. It's only Thursday. I've been coming to this trade show almost every year since 1996. It's like home for many hairstylists. A place to come and be inspired, learn new trends, and try new products. You will see and learn from the best of the best. I remember my first time coming to the Bronner Brother Hairshow. My eyes and heart was full just seeing all of the creative people in one space. Inspiration to the fullest.
Welcome to the stage, Hughes.
I remember competing in competitions, winning some and losing some, and every experience was amazing. Now I'm here 20 years later doing my own competition with my product.
My name is Ashley. My IG name is The Cash Effect. Make sure you guys follow me. I wanted to show the world how I melt down my lace with bold hair. I would definitely put the $5,000 back into my business. I just got a new salon suite, so I would definitely like to decorate some more, make it, more playful for my clients, and just give them new shit.
Hey, I'm Shayna. I'm pretty much at ease. I've been using boho for about 3 years. I love boho. Yes, I do. My name is Larry Lewis. My Instagram name is @looksbylarry and @lavishbylarry. I entered the competition. I saw the competition last year, and I said I had to be in it this year. I love doing lace fronts. This is one of my top styles I give to my clients, so I said I have to do it. I've been using boho basically for about the past 2 to 3 years. $5,000 I'm hoping to win. I want to jumpstart my first salon.
With all the overwhelming support from my prior students, from our customers, we had to put on this competition to show our way of giving back and have fun doing it. Thank you to all of the amazing hairstylists that came by and showed the boho booth so much love. Thank you so much, Bronner Brother, for allowing me and my company, Boho, to display these amazing artists and their artwork on your very stage that I competed on years ago. What a joy.
know what y'all came for, because I know we live in a time where everybody's not irrational. So make sure y'all go up there and you show people what you got and have fun doing it. Okay, you in the competition? Did you skip your rent or your mortgage to be here? I need to make sure, because I know we live in an irrational world. Yeah. All right, on your mark, get set, go! All right, everybody, my name is Tamika Gibson. I am the hair diagram. And today we are doing the fastest wig competition. I've been teaching this method for over 10 years. And what I wanted to do is give back to a lot of people. But a lot of these hairstylists, they can make it in less than 45 minutes. But the thing about it is, who can do it under pressure, right? It's gotta be made right. 25 minutes to stop. And we're gonna judge each portion of that. All right? Are y'all ready to see this?
My name is Kara Marie. When I win the competition, I will give $1,000 to my mother and then invest the $4,000 into my business.
I am Andrea Kirkendorf, aka Muffin, and I'm from Dallas, Texas. Everything's bigger and better in Texas. Hello?
If you've never been to a Bronner Brother Beauty Show, make sure you are there at the next show. You will have so much fun and be so inspired. Thank you for watching.